Hi, giddygele lovers. I'm super excited to let you all know I'll be having a 2 weeks intensive gele class. Guys, trust me, this class is for beginners and this class also for those that can tie but they are having little issue. You would like to correct those issues. And this class will be happening in Surulere this September. And trust me, guys, this class is going to be impactful. After this class, you will testify. And this is the last class in Sule for the year. So if you have been wanting to join my daily class, trust me, this is the one. This is the one. Now send a DM and book your slot. Limited slot available. Send the DM now and let's do it the giddy way. Trust me, this class is for you. Oh shit.